So welcome back to the second part of video series. In the last video we discussed about the audio file, and now we have the text option. In the text option you are going to see a lot of samples that how you can add text in your video. So we are going to see and take some text effects, and we will use them into our video. So first of all, I'm going to here we have a simple text option. What you have to do, you have to simply drag it here, and you can use any text you want. For example, I have clicked here and I'm going to write like a sample word. Now after writing the sample word, what you have to do, you have to select the text, and you can use any font style. I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to also increase the size. And if you want any color, you can also change the color from here, like this one and this one, any color you want, and click here. This will be, you can, if you want to reduce the size, you can also do that. I'm going to reduce its size, and I'm going to put here. Now simply this effect. If you want to add any animation in this video, simply you have to select the layer of the text, and you have to go into the animation. After going into the animation, you have to simply just select the animation, which one. If you want using this one, use this one. You have a lot of animations here. You have to download these animations. If you are using the first time, you have to download these animations, and then after downloading you can use in future too. After animation we have text to speech. In the text to speech, you can convert your text into a speech like a AI voiceover. So what you have to do, you have to simply click on the text to speech option. After that you can choose any voice, which any voice you can select.
Sample.
I'm going to see you some voiceover samples. You can choose them, you can see them, and you can hear them. I'm going to show you some voiceover samples. You can listen to them, and you can use them according to your need.
Sample.
Sample. Sample.
Sample.
So these are the basic options. These are the basic voices. We have some others too. There are a lot of voiceover there. I'm going to select, like, you have to write here start reading, and it will be automatically converted. As you can see here, audio layer of the voiceover is added. So this is the simple way that how you can convert text into a AI voiceover. After that we have these text effects too. These are the templates. You have to simply drag them here. After drag them here, as you can see, these are text. You have just simply edit them. I'm going to write like smart here, and this is the smart. Then now they will play it smart. If you want to use any other, you can also do that from here. There are a lot of text effect options. You can use them as per your need. These are the effects templates. For example, I'm going to take this one. After going to taking this, I'm going to write the sentence on it. I'm going to write here, hey, hello, how are you? And now what you have to do, simply you have to select the font style. I have selected this, and I'm going to reduce their size using this option, scale. I have reduced their scales and keep them here. As you can see, here is a new option which is called templates. In the templates you can use some other options too. You have a lot of templates. You can use them as per your need. There are a lot of templates. So here I have wrote the text, as you can see, you can reduce the size of the text, and here are some other options here, like you have the opacity. If you want any stroke, you can also add the stroke. If you want to add the background color, you can also do that. If you want any other option, you have a lot of options here. Glow, you can also add a glow effect. You can add the shadow. You can convert them into a curve. It's up to you which any option you want to use. So these are the basic options about text. So I hope in this class this is enough, and we will discuss about other things in the next class. So see you in the next video.